So this is Villa del Ayuntamiento, Villa de la Orotava.
Centro Municipales de Mayores.
So let's go inside and see what they has to offer. Beautiful square inside with wooden balconies.
Look at this. What a beautiful place. Just a council house. Council city center house. A wonderful place. The charming Orotava town. It's very small roads, very picturesque.
Victoria Garden.
Very clean and tidy. Looks really, really nice. San Agustin. We are following the road now towards this Victoria Gardens. Plenty of parks around this town, and Jardin Victoria, which is Victoria Gardens. Let's go. Let's go. And entrance to the wonderful Victoria Gardens. Very well organized. Terraced garden. Oh, spectacular. Look at this. Little fountains, all the trees cut perfectly.
So we were from there.
Yeah.
Ascania.
Yeah, we're walking
Jardin.
from this Casa Ascania. And now, oh, it's wonderful. Gardens on each level, very well organized, beautiful.
So walking around Victoria Garden. So that is Casa Ascanio. And beautiful view of the town of La Orotava. Like this?
Oh, perfect harmony.
What is this thing?
This is the proper
Unusual.
lava from the volcano. Wow, amazing. Horizon, what is above it? Oh, suddenly you can see the next level of various fountains. Oh wow! Look at the view indeed.
That's Puerto de la Cruz.
Oh, Puerto de la Cruz, not very far. And another staircase, another steps. Oh, it's for the very small person to go in there. It's only like 1 meter high. Oh yes.
Ja, de blaam, dat was ook een
Ah, dat is precies.
Oh, van Bayern? Ja. Die is natuurlijk heel lang fit nog. Die is heel lang op Sudan gedaan. Oh, ik denk dat
Don't go back. Don't go back.
Of Garden Victoria.
Victoria Garden. Ah, somebody lying and relaxing. Ah. Little cascade of fountains. And another cascade of waterfalls. Look at this cathedral. Very great place. So let's see the fountain. Oh, perfect. In Victoria, and next garden, Hijuela del Botanico garden. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at this street. Oh, that is amazing. Yeah. Let's go around the garden. Botanical garden. Oh yes, it's a big dragon tree. There's one in here which is the oldest and the biggest one. But this one is a big one too. Dragon tree. Yeah.
So walking around the botanic garden in La Orotava, and they have, this is the dragon tree.
And to the flowers. Some of them are fruits, some of them are flowers. The champa tree. How big tree it is and how big flowers comparable with the person. Oh. Oh, beautiful. Favorite banana plant. Look at this, there are little banana fruit and little bananas growing sideways. Oh, that is beautiful. Grazie, signore. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, they have a lot of water, so they can grow nicely. It's a little bit wet. Oh, beautiful. Australia, oh, very nice.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, very good. Bell of the banana fruits. Oh yes, they grow like this, you see.
This is the palace.
Yeah? Oh wow. Look at the palace. Oh wow. Very pretty. We'll see the garden in front of it. And again beautiful fruits, bananas and a bell. Oh, look very pretty. Oh, Japanese maple. I see. I can hear stream of water in a fountain. Oh wow, very unusual, very pretty. Oh. And that's nearly the end of this botanical garden. Small but very, very beautiful to walk around. Oh, look at this one. I always like